Ready? Start recording, guys.
I'm going.
Where's Mason? Okay.
Oh, whoa.
Hey, it's coming back down.
Looks like it's on fire. Where is
I don't
it?
see it no more.
Where is it?
I can't see it.
Listen for it.
Is it supposed to explode?
You guys didn't put a parachute in it?
We did. It didn't come out.
I don't see it.
Hey, that one, we thought that one was going to have an epic fail, dude.
Yeah.
I guess it's the other way around, right?
We should wait for Cindy on the next one. She'll like it.
No.
That was cool.
We have more rockets. We can rebuild another.
Oh, what the
If we can find it, we can't even see this one.
For real.
Have you seen the other
That was just a little.
Dude, I think it caught on fire.
Keep trying.
Something.
Why'd you just blow up? Are you doing it?
Okay, still recording? Going.
Watch it. Watch it.
Look, it's coming hot. Parachute. Hey, go to the park.
That's not a parachute.
That's not a parachute. Oh, that's backfield. Oh, man. It's the roof.
Oh, snap.
Oh!
I touched my ankle.